Are you ready to get roasting with rotisserie on your Searwood Pellet Grill? Before you get cooking, it's helpful to familiarize yourself with the setup of the rotisserie. To start, lay out all your rotisserie pieces. The bracket, spacer, and hardware will attach onto the grill and hold the motor in place. The motor is what turns the rotisserie spit. The rotisserie spit and forks are where you place the food you want to cook. The spit may be in a few pieces depending on the size of your cookbox. The handle attaches to the rotisserie spit. To use the rotisserie, remove the top rack. You can place a top rack on the hooks at the back of your grill. Attach the bracket, spacer, and hardware onto the grill. Tighten the nuts. Then place the motor onto the bracket. Place the spit into the grill motor. The rotisserie spit rests and rotates in the grill just like this. To disconnect the spit from the motor, firmly hold and slide to the right, away from the grill. Then lift the spit up and away from the grill. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.